Good morning, student. Now we are starting our chapter number 4. Chapter 4, Simple Equation. Simple equation we are starting. So first thing is what is equation? So in the equation only you can see E, Q, U, A, L. Here L is not there. Equal. So in the equation where we are having the equality sign, so on the left side and right side we are writing some numbers, or we can say that the expression x plus 4 equals to 1, or we can say that we are writing x equals to 3, y equals to 4. So this, where the equal sign is there, that is known as the equation. And the left hand side, this is our left hand side, and this is what? Right hand side. Means after equal, this is our right hand. So on the right hand, which number it is written, that is known as the RHS, and on the left side, what we are having? LHS. Left hand side, right hand side. So when we are writing here x equals to 3, it means what? The equal, the sign is what? Equal. So here in equal, x equals to 3, it means what? The value of x is 3, and here equation means we can say that what? Equality. So where we are having the condition that x equals to 3, so equal sign is there. On the left side and right side we are having the values. Here x equals to, we can say that 3. Now we are talking about the, in equation we are having the variable and constant. We are having the variable and constant. So see here x is there, on what is there? 3. So what the alphabet, what it is written in the variable, the alphabet, we can say that x, y, z, a, b, c, z. So any alphabet, if it is written, then we can say that that is a variable. So variable here means what? Any alphabet from A to Z, any alphabet it is written, that is known as the variable, and its value can be changed. Its value is not fixed. Not fixed means what? If we can say that x equals to 3, or we can say x equals to 5, or we can say x equals to minus 10. So see, the value of x is different. That's why we are saying what? The value, its value is not fixed. So in the variable, the value is not fixed. And what is the constant? This 3, the numbers or the letters which it is written, that is known as the constant. So here 3 is known as the constant, 5 is known as the constant. Why? Because 3 will not change. 3 will remain the same. So that number it is not changing. That's why it is known as the constant. So its value is fixed. Its value is fixed. That's why it is a constant. So the number which is written, it is the negative, positive, or the decimal number. Any number it is written, that is known as the constant number. And what is the variable? The alphabets which are written, that is known as the variable. And the value of the variable is not fixed, it is changing. We have seen here it changes, but the constant value is never changed. It is the fixed value. If 3 is there, so what we will say? That 3 equals to 2, and we know that 3 cannot be equals to 2. So the value of constant can be never changed. So now we are going for the exercise. Before exercise, one more thing. If it is given x equals to 4 equal 1, and we are putting the value of x equals to how much? Minus 3. X equals to how much? Minus 3. And in this equation we will put, in place of x, what we are putting? This is the value of x. In place of x we will write how much? Minus 3. So what will come? Minus 3 plus 4. We are taking only the left hand side. x plus 4. In this we are putting the value of x minus 3, then plus 4, and minus plus minus, and 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Greater value is this, sign will come positive. And what is the RHS? 1. What is the RHS? 1. So see, LHS and RHS both are coming the same. This is LHS is also 1, RHS is also 1. If both the value are coming the same, then we can say that x equals to minus 3 is the solution of the equation. So we can say that it is the solution of the equation. So this is the introduction of fourth chapter.